In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to opt out of training in Claude AI. If you value a little extra privacy and want to make sure your conversations aren't used to help improve the model, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the option and how to turn it off, whether you're using a web browser or the desktop app. Start by opening Claude AI on your computer. You can do this in any modern browser or by launching the desktop app if you have it installed. The interface is nearly identical across both, so these directions will apply either way. Once Claude is open, look for your account area. You'll usually find your profile icon or your initials in a small circle. This is commonly located in the bottom left corner of the screen, but in some layouts, it may appear under an account or profile menu. Click that profile icon to open your account options. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to a panel where you can manage your account preferences. On the left-hand side of the Settings panel, you'll see a list of categories. Click Privacy. This section contains options related to how your data is handled and what's shared to improve the service. Within the privacy settings, look for a control labeled Help Improve Claude. This is the setting that determines whether your content can be used to enhance model training. To opt out, simply toggle that option off. When it's off, your new conversations won't be used to help improve Claude's training. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If you don't see the privacy section right away, make sure you're in the main settings panel and not a sub-page, and scroll down in case the option is lower on the list. If the toggle doesn't seem to switch, wait a moment for the change to save, then check again. In most cases, you'll see a visual confirmation that the toggle is off. Turning off. Help improve. Claude doesn't affect your ability to chat, create, or use features. It simply changes how your data is handled for training purposes. If you use Claude both in the browser and on the desktop app, the setting is tied to your account, so once you switch it off, it will carry over when you sign in elsewhere. That's all you need to do. Open Claude, go to your profile, enter Settings, choose Privacy, find Help Improve Claude, and toggle it off. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you feel more in control of your data.